Today we're talking about one of the most exciting community events of the year, and that's going to be the National Night Out. Whether you're a scout, a parent, or a community leader, this event is packed with opportunities. So why should scouts be front and center at National Night Out? Let's find out. For those who might not know, the National Night Out is an annual community building event that promotes police-community partnership and neighborhood camaraderie. It's celebrated across the country, bringing together families, local law enforcement, and community organizations for a night of fun, safety, education, and friendship. As Scouts, community service is one of our core values. The National Night Out is a perfect chance to give back to the community while connecting with the people in your own neighborhood. Whether you're volunteering to help run of the events, assisting with the booths, or even educating younger kids about safety, it's a fantastic way to demonstrate leadership and service. Plus, it's a great way for Scouts to show the community what we stand for, being prepared, helpful, and always ready to lend a hand. One of the coolest things about National Night Out is the chance for kids to meet their local heroes. Police officers, firefighters, and emergency responders are all out in full force, and Scouts get a chance to get up close and personal with them to find out how they keep the community safe. It's a hands-on learning experience that can help even inspire some of us to pursue careers in public service. And let's not forget, it's a blast checking out the cool gear, everything from trucks to canine units. If you found value in this video thus far, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Also, in the description you'll find our affiliate links to Amazon. If you click one of these links and you end up purchasing anything that we've recommended, we do get a little bit of a commission to help grow this channel. Anything that you guys can do to help us so we can bring you some of the best reviews, go to the best places, and provide you with the best information is greatly appreciated. With that, back to the video. Now, National Night Out isn't all about service. There's a ton of fun to be had. From games to raffles to live entertainment, it's a chance for Scouts to bond with each other while making new friends in the community. Teamwork, camaraderie, and good old-fashioned fun are what Scouting is all about, and National Night Out brings it all together in one awesome night. And hey, if you're looking to grow your unit, National Night Out is a fantastic recruitment opportunity. With so many families in attendance, it's the perfect time to showcase the fun and value of scouting. Come on out, set up a booth, bring out some flyers, and introduce the next generation to what being a scout is all about. So there you have it. The National Night Out is an amazing event for Scouts to make a difference, learn from local heroes, and have a blast with the community. If you haven't attended already, I highly recommend you mark your calendar for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more awesome tips, adventures, and Scout-related content. Thank you for watching. This has been Matt with the Roaming Scouter, and I'll see you out there.